Political storm indeed in Karnataka after a leaked audio clip of Congress MLA B.R. Patil surfaced making serious bribery allegations in the state's housing scheme.
आप गलत मत समझो, ताज्जुब की बात है। राजीव गांधी हाउसिंग कॉर्पोरेशन में जो लोग जाके पैसा देते हैं उनको घर मिला है।
सब ये लास्ट टाइम आप बोले थे। सुनिए एक रिक्वेस्ट है,
ये हो रहा है क्या, धंधा हो रहा है क्या?
ऐसा है सब, आप ऐसा है तो दीजिए। मैं लास्ट टाइम आपको बताया एक्शन विल टेक एक्शन सर इमीडिएटली। वी हैव नॉट डन लाइक दैट सर। आई मीन इफ दे हैव डन लाइक दैट वी विल सेंड देम बिहाइंड बार सर।
भाई मैं अपने सरकार को ऊपर मैं इल्जाम कैसे लगाता हूँ? मैं जो तजुर्बा आया है, जो पैसा दिया है उसको घर मिला है।
नहीं सर, ऐसा हो ही नहीं सकता सर, क्योंकि घर ही नहीं है तो देंगे कहां से सर?
अब कितने घर दिए अब?
सर हम लोगों को लास्ट ईयर में जो सर कुछ 10 या 12,000 घर जब लास्ट टाइम दिए थे सर, जो एमएलए से मिनिस्टर साहब ने जो रिक्वेस्ट किया, दिस इज 2 years बैक व्हेन द न्यू गवर्नमेंट केम इनटू पावर सर। नाउ वी हैव आस्क्ड फॉर अबाउट 43,000 हाउसेस जो लैप्स हो गए, हमको वापस दो बल्कि हम लोग पूछे हैं सर।
मेरा सुनिए, किसी को बोला नहीं, जो मेरा लेटर भेजा था वो नहीं हुआ। वही लेटर ग्राम पंचायत के चेयरमैन मेरे पास से लेके गए, वो पैसा दे के लेके आए घर मकान। अब हमारी इज्जत क्या रहेगा
सर? वो दीजिए सर, कौन सा है? मैं किसी को नहीं बोला, बट आई विल टेक एक्शन सर, लेट मी नो सर। अब वो कैंसिल करके आप ही देंगे, ऐसा ऐसा किया है, आई विल हैंग दैट फेलो हु हैज डन इट सर 100%।
हैंग नहीं, एक आदमी नहीं, बहुत लोगों को हैंग करना पड़ता।
आप दो ना, अब मुझे दो सर, एटलीस्ट विल सी व्हाट हैज हैपेंड सर। आप थोड़ा मुझे प्लीज दीजिए सर।
What you just heard, this audio clip, it's allegedly a conversation between MLA B.R. Patil and Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan's personal secretary Sarfaraz, and it has sent shockwaves across the Congress camp. In the clip, the legislator is heard saying that bribes were taken for housing allotments in his constituency. Patil alleges that 950 houses were allotted only to those who paid bribes, and his recommendation letters were ignored in favor of names submitted by the Gram Panchayat leaders. He of course says that he's saddened to complain against his own government, and also says that why is this being done, and warns that if he reveals all the corruption he knows, the Congress government's foundation will shake. The BJP is now demanding that Housing Minister Zamir Ahmed Khan should resign and the judicial inquiry under a sitting High Court judge should be initiated. Leader of opposition R. Ashoka said his ad waits to earlier remarks made by the Congress leaders themselves. At Karnataka, under Congress ranks number 1 in corruption, but as the Congress party maintains a complete radio silence on it, and MLA B.R. Patil offers no clarification, further clarification, the pressure is mounting. The BJP isn't going to back down. It's now turning this into a large questions of governance and credibility, not just for Zamir, but for Chief Minister Siddaramaiah. Because if a Congress MLA claims that corruption runs so deep, it could collapse the government, the question isn't just if heads will roll, if those heads will roll. First, let me go to my colleague Mohammad Wajiullah to understand what the ground reality is. Then, of course, I will introduce you to our guests on the show. Waji, tell me something, that this audio clip is a complete revelation. We all know B.R. Patil's history. I mean, you know it and I know it. He was the political secretary. Also, he's been very miffed with the Karnataka government in the recent past. But this is very clearly, alleging that there has bribes have been paid. Raji.
Well, yes, this audio that has been leaked has raised the issue of bribes that have been taken for allotment of houses in the Rajiv Gandhi housing scheme. But it also raises a lot of other things with regards to the allegation that there have not been any concrete specific names or people who have been named here. Here, B.R. Patil also goes on to say that it's not happening in one place, it's happening in a lot of places. But when Sarfaraz has asked him with regards to give me the details, there's no detail that has been given. But the audio has been leaked in turn. I had a chat with both of them. I spoke to B.R. Patil, who only said one thing, that yes, that is my audio, and the other things I will only speak to the Chief Minister. This is the only thing he spoke to me, and he cut the call. While on the other hand, when I spoke to Faraz told me that he categorically asked him for those details. He kept telling him on the phone, but he did not answer. I use an iPhone, and I did not leak this audio. So he has leaked this audio just to get some attention. While B.R. Patil is a senior leader, there are a lot of instances in the past, in the last 2 years, where B.R. Patil has embarrassed the government. In fact, after he became a part of the after 2 years back when the government came into power, at that time also he wrote a letter and had 50 MLAs with him. Under his letter, he said that he's unhappy with the cabinet, and then the chief minister called him.
All right.
He was made the political advisor. So B.R. Patil has also has this myth with the state government,
I
and he's
understand.
always been embarrassing
Yeah.
them. And this is also one such thing is what the government feels.
Right, Vaji. I mean, good that you presented both sides of the story and gave it a very fair kind of a look, you know. But let's go to the guest because it's an embarrassment nevertheless. Vajiullah, thank you so much for joining us. And like I was saying, it is an embarrassment because it is government versus government. It's like that film, Karthik calling Karthik. So that's the whole explanation. Satya Prakash, spokesperson for the KPCC is here, and Anand Gurumurthy, spokesperson for the BJP in Karnataka is here. Namaskara to both of you. Satya, major embarrassment here. You know, let's not talk about Patil. When you listen to this phone conversation, what is it that you hear on the other side? Sarfaraz, sir, you prove it, sir, and we will check it, sir. No, sir, nothing like this has happened. Complete on the defensive. You know, and what we are hearing is that 200 houses in Munnali, 100 houses in Shirur, 200 in Dangapur, 200 each in Kavalaga and Madiyal. So it's not a joke. Here, even as your government is trying its level best to give housing across to the minorities, don't you think this is a major embarrassment? Satya Prakash.
Good evening, Sudha.
Hi.
See, this is the age of AI. Anything is possible during AI's age. They can make Satya Prakash Narendra Modi. They can make my voice Narendra Modi's voice, my voice also they can make. So at this point of time, until something concrete comes and where both parties agree that these are my voices, I'm not going to react on that. But for the time being, let us assume it's an assumption that really that sort of a conversation did take place.
Okay.
What did Mr. B.R. Patil ask? B.R. Patil asked, I have given a recommendation, but other than my recommendation, others are getting. There is no rule that only MLA's recommendation has to be considered as far as housing is concerned. Housing, number of beneficiaries will be there. They will take all of them's recommendations. The MLA also can recommend, the MLC can recommend, the Panchayat presidents can recommend, Jilla Panchayat members can recommend, Taluk Panchayat members can recommend, and based on need basis, they will allot. And if you look at the whole conversation, Mr. Sarfraz is very clear. While Mr. B.R. Patil is telling that you have allotted, Mr. Sarfraz has very clearly said that we have not allotted, sir. Still around 42,000 we want to allot, but as of now we have not allotted. The last
What bribery? No, that is all fine. Whether you give it to an MLA or to a Gram Panchayat, fine. But what about the bribery charge, Satya? Everyone is jumping because it is a clear corruption charge being levied that पैसा देने से घर मिलता है क्या? और कोई तरीका नहीं है क्या?
If you believe that is that.
But if you believe part one of the conversation, you cannot disbelieve part two of the conversation. You can't do selective random sampling. No, Anand, come in here, Anand. You know, first of all, you say it's AI. Fine, I understand it is AI. But I'm saying, you say, let's presume.
Tomorrow I can send you a clip of you only speaking to Mr. B.R. Patil.
I'm sorry?
This is the age of AI. Anything is possible.
Right. Then why did you say let's presume? I went by what you said. No. You said let's presume Sudha. I said okay, let's presume Satya. And then you say part one is true, part two is not true. Come on, Anand Gurumurthy, come in here, sir.
Assuming your story is right, I have to do my thing.
It's not my story, sir. It's everywhere. Go on.
It is very clear that the corruption is too bad in Karnataka. In fact, it is in every department. It's good that one of their person only is talking about this. In fact, see, he's telling that MLA's recommendations are not going. And Satya's argument is many people can give recommendations. All that is fine. But to get a house, they have to pay money. Okay. If you pay money, false FIRs are registered in police stations. Okay, and if you pay money, anything can be done in revenue department in Karnataka. This is also happening. And only if you pay money, e-khatas are, getting registered. Even posthumous, if somebody is dead and their family has to get their khata registered, they are taking money and registering. Everywhere too much of corruption in Karnataka. In fact, government officials in April, May, June, they fear their transfers and are ready with cash. This is the state of Karnataka after Siddaramaiah took over. We have been telling this and we have been proven correct again. Let us see
Let me also,
how far
Anand,
they go and
yeah, sure.
and,
Anand, let me
justify
also
their
add.
case.
Let me also add that I've been fair here. I mean, Mr. Patil has been very disgruntled. My colleague Vajullah said, even recently, he said, oh, this government doesn't listen to me. They do not do anything for my constituency. Here is a disgruntled voice. I can take all that. But what I can't digest is when he said, पैसा देने से घर मिलता है क्या सरफराज? और कोई तरीका नहीं है क्या?
Correct.
My
See,
problem is there, Anand. My problem is not, and we are
Our
all.
problem is also same. Our
Yeah.
problem is also same.
ये
with this
होता है,
government.
MLA को
See, we
दीजिए.
are not bothered about the individual ministers
Yeah.
or anything.
You
We are
can-
clearly telling that
sure.
Siddaramaiah, Chief Minister himself, is guiding all this. He is the guiding light for this corruption. For all this administration problem, Mr. Siddaramaiah, the Chief Minister of Karnataka, is the guiding light.
And also, ladies
That is
and
the
gentlemen,
name we are giving him.
Ladies and gentlemen, that's the Rajiv Gandhi Housing Corporation scheme. It's on your screens. These are housing which are provided for those who are, disempowered, those who are marginalized, for the economically backward, and it has homes. This has a scheme which is both from the state as well as from the center. There is corruption all over. But what is shocking here is Mr. Patil, who belongs to the Congress, who was till recently the political advisor, who must be in the know of a lot of the workings, lot of things of the government, he is alleging something on, minorities minister Zamir Ahmed Khan's secretary, Mr. Sarfaraz Khan, and that is what is shocking. Satya, your government has just now announced how it has increased the quota for homes, for houses for the minorities, not just for Muslims, minorities. And bang, there is another scandal, so that this housing scam is considered. Why don't you do, why don't you do what is easiest to do, Satya? Initiate an investigation.
Why should giving houses to marginalized communities be a scam? I don't understand. As per such a committee, the central government itself has suggested, the central government itself is giving 15% for minorities, and we were giving 10%. So, as per
Additional
recommendation of the central
information,
government,
and I will never join politics, but no, but you are, don't know, mujhe mat phasaiye. Do not trap me. Just stick to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation. Tell me something. I raised it as a reference point, sir, that your government has done such a beautiful thing. I was supposed to do that story today, sir, but this came then. This came, sir.
I will talk on this.
Just talk about this, sir. Go on.
See, whether it is minority or majority.
Very clearly, the personal secretary, personal secretary, PS, private secretary, whatever he is, of Mr. Zamir Ahmed Khan is told very clearly, Mr. Patil also. Let us be fair. He said, "Saab, agar aisa kuch hai to dikhaiye. My action le to we will hang all of them."
So,
So here,
I'll
Mr. M.
like to
Patil,
come
as
in.
per
1 minute,
what
Satyaji.
you are saying that, has really accused him. Ask him to give the names. Only those
Satyaji,
who
1
are-
minute.
And I should accuse you, then I should also give you proof.
Satyaji.
And I should also
Satyaji.
send you to jail. Come on, go on, Anand
No,
Gurumurthy.
no,
Oh, 1 minute,
has to
Satyaji.
give.
Very
I want
nice.
to tell something.
Because you can't-
Madam,
Very
you can't
fair.
just give,
Anand, come on, Anand.
Let's leave, Satyaji, 1 minute.
I can't
Let's
tell
leave
you,
minority and
second thing
majority,
is, one
okay?
second.
Here,
Give me a minute.
one second, Satyaji,
Give me
1
a
minute,
minute
1 minute,
afterwards
okay?
to
Just
speak.
give me 1 minute, Satyaji.
You speak.
You can talk later.
You speak,
Okay? Satyaji,
I will finish
I want
and then you
to
speak.
put a point here. I want to put a
I
point
will
here. See,
I will finish and then you speak. What
Oh,
I'm
you want
telling
to
is,
waste
we
time,
don't
okay.
need lessons from a party which is known to be 40% Sarkar in Karnataka. People throw them out. We don't want any lessons from those who represent
No,
that
but let's
party
listen. No,
who
but
are
as a main
40%
opposition,
Sarkar.
Anandji also has a. Anand, go ahead. I mean, this is not the
See,
parliament.
See, madam, I'll tell you today in Karnataka, okay?
Huh.
Forget majority, minority, different caste, anything. They say we only do this for this caste, for this religion. But finally, what they do? I am from BJP. Anand Gurumurthy from BJP. Satyaji is from Congress, okay? Amongst us, if we are eligible for something, if I go and pay, even though I am from BJP, I will get it. That is Congress government. That is Congress Nyaya in Karnataka. Only corruption works with Congress. Nothing else works. They
All
can't
right.
see anything else. They are blind.